Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing 5 things I don't buy in my homeschool. Okay, so I've seen this video trend going around on YouTube, and I thought I would add my 2 cents into the things that we don't buy. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shardae. I'm a homeschool mom to 5 children. They are 8, 5, 3, and 6-month-old twins. I just want to put this as a disclaimer. The things that I don't buy, I am not saying that my homeschool is the best and you have to do everything that we're doing. This is just this is what we don't buy. And I'm not saying that if you buy these things, you are less than me or anything of that nature. And also, I would love to know what you don't buy or what you do buy, or if I am striking a chord with anyone. Okay, so number 1 is buying books. We use a library and we live in a metropolitan area where there are literally anything that we want, we can have. If they don't have it, I do end up buying them sometimes from Amazon, but I am slowly becoming accustomed to just going ahead to use the Coops app that we have through our library, and they have audiobooks. So sometimes if I can't find a book, I'll just go ahead and use this app. And sometimes they'll have books and things of that nature. Books, audiobooks, and then also some books with music in the background. I don't know what you call those, but those are also available to us. So there's no need for us to buy books. And I think if I had the space, maybe I would be more apt to buying books, but we don't even have the space really for me to have a library. So that's how the cookie crumbles in our homeschool. We utilize the library. So the first one was due to space. This one is probably due to budgeting, but subscription boxes. We just don't have the financial resources for them right now. We hold back nothing when it comes to math, reading, and Bible, but after that, we are pretty much on the frugal side with how we spend our money on curriculum. Again, the thing that my husband has basically said is that there's no budget, but make sure you're picking right. That's why we're kind of stuck with the curriculum that we previously came from, because I picked it and I was gonna use it until it was done, and we just made do. But now that I have curriculum that I am satisfied with, it is pretty much, this is what we're sticking with. And with history and science, I will say that we are very, very frugal with those resources. I am more apt to spend whatever I need to spend on reading and math. Everything else just it's not really on our high to-do list. And I will say that my children are in lower elementary school, so the only thing that really is important, in my opinion, is reading and math anyway. So the third thing we don't do is co-ops. We just haven't had the bandwidth for them, and I don't see us wanting to do them in the future. We have full days as it is, and once my younger children start school, my oldest will be in upper middle school. So in my opinion, her workload is going to be more intense, and we won't have room for the co-ops and things of that nature. I have thought about what we will do when it gets to a point where she's going to be doing more intense science labs, and I think that would be something that I would be more apt to do, but I'm really not right. I don't even have the bandwidth, so that's probably why I'm not interested in joining other children and things of that nature. Now, I am looking for enrichment, a day for my children to do something outside of our home. The local YMCA, they have a day where they can do gymnastics, STEM, swim, and something else from 9 to 2. And so, in my opinion, that is more what I'm looking for, not necessarily a co-op where I will be responsible for teaching other people's children, along with other moms. The fourth thing we don't do are unit studies. I think they are great. They just don't mesh well with my teaching style. I also think it has something to do with me being a teacher before homeschooling. I thrive best off of sequential curriculum. Now, that's not to say we don't go down rabbit trails with certain things, but we typically start from those, the curriculum that I have that's my base. And the fifth and last thing that we do not buy in my homeschool are things that I don't have an immediate need for. We've all seen the flash sales or purchase things from Ollie's or other stores online. If I don't need it and I don't think I'm going to use it right now, I don't buy it. 9 times out of 10, I'm not going to use it and it's just going to sit there. I really truly have a lot going on and I don't need an extra thing added to our homeschool day. I think that we're doing a great job with what we already have, and adding those maybe things is just going to put more pressure on me and make me think that, oh, I need to use this, and I just have other priorities. Like homeschool is number one priority. Also taking care of my home is number one priority, and taking care of the twins is another number one priority. So I have 3 things that are very important to my day. So let me know in the comments, are there any things that you don't purchase that I didn't list or that I did list? And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Think about subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to drink your... My kids are listening to my video. Don't forget to drink your water and repent. Bye.